Hello, my name is Maurizio Zollo. I'm Professor of Strategy and Sustainability at Imperial College Business School and the head of the Management and Entrepreneurship Department. I would like to welcome you today and invite you to join me in a Science Breaks conversation on the topic of reinventing capitalism. It's a big question. We all know that the world is facing today unprecedented challenges, whether you're focusing on environmental issues or on health issues, on social inequities, social divides. We all know that there is something fundamentally wrong, or at least not sufficiently efficient in the way that our social and economic system is operating. And the question is, how do we actually rethink, reinvent, reshape the role of the business enterprise, which is the heart of the economic system, obviously, so that companies are actually rewarded for solving all these global challenges or contributing to solve them, rather than contributing to actually creating them. This is possible, and we will share with you some of the ideas, some of the ways in which this could be done. I will have this conversation with my esteemed colleague, Tommaso Valletti, who is the head of the Economics and Public Policy Department. It will be an interesting conversation with him, and then we'll open it up to your own questions. So I would very much hope that you will join us in this conversation, and hopefully we will come out of it much more rich in our own understanding of not only the problem, but more importantly, possible solutions. Thank you very much.